5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yes, be ready. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to be here among you for the inaugural function of the Diamond Jubilee celebrations of the India International Center. Our capital has a long-standing tradition of rich cultural exchanges which the IIC has been enriching for the past 6 decades. When the idea of the IIC was conceived in 1958 as an international platform for exchange of views, the world was coping with issues concerning a fair and stable international order and legacy burdens of two world wars. The process of decolonization was underway in Asia and Africa with new aspirations influencing the emerging international order as the contemporary world is going through a phase of transition. Forums like the IIC become all the more relevant. The decades immediately after the independence of our country were marked by new institutions that included the IIC. Several eminent persons such as Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and others helped actualize that vision. Crown Prince Akihito of Japan laid the cornerstone for the building in November 1960, underlining the institution's international character. It is also a happy coincidence that the center's Diamond Jubilee and completion of 70 years of India-Japan diplomatic relations are happening this year. The IIC's international character also found a beautiful expression in the design of its building. Architect Joseph Allen Stein had designed several famous buildings in the capital, but the IIC in the vicinity of Lodhi Gardens commands a unique significance. Next para, the founding of this institution was done by women and men with a vision of India's future and its role in a world of international cooperation. The IIC stands for a vision of India as a vibrant democracy where it is possible to initiate dialogue in an atmosphere of amity and understanding with national and international participation. The founders of this institution had the foresight to see what could unfold in the years to come and how the IIC could be a part of developments in a new nation and also contribute to debates globally. Such debates have kept pace with time. Since its beginning in the early 1960s, programs at the center have reflected global and national concerns and continue to create awareness and influence public opinion on relevant issues because its close context with prominent academic and cultural institutions. Thank you.